In this video, I'll show you how you can sign up to the eBay affiliate program so you can promote products on eBay and then earn a commission every time someone buys that product. So what you first want to do is go to eBay and then scroll all the way down to the bottom, and here under About eBay you should see affiliates. If it's not here, you should see it under Sell. Go ahead and click on affiliates nonetheless. That will then take you to this window where you can see and join the eBay partner network. So go ahead and read about this if you want to, but for most of you, just click on sign up and it will take you to the next step. Now the next step is going to be to sign in with eBay. So you can read more about it here again. You need to then sign in with eBay. So go ahead and click sign in with eBay. I'm already signed in and it's asking me to verify myself to continue. So we'll just continue here. These are getting really hard, by the way. Okay, so let me sign into eBay, and once you've signed in, it will take you back to this website. Now, if you scroll down, you should see your information. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out and then I'll be back. But what you need to do is enter in a display name. You need to enter in a company website, a country, your address, which is all obvious stuff, right? And here where you get to promotional information, you want to add your traffic source. So most of you are going to be in content/reviews or creator. You then need to add, if you've got a website, add a website. If you've got a social media, add a social media. Add the traffic source that you're going to promote this partner program on, because you are going to need to get accepted into this. They're not just going to accept anyone. So I'll fill this in now and then I'll run you through my application. Okay, so I've just filled in my application. You can see that I've got my display name as KnowledgeBase. My company website here is just going to be my YouTube channel. Then scrolling down, we've just got personal information. And on promotional information, I've gone to social networks. I've chosen my YouTube channel and I've entered in my YouTube channel ID. By the way, you can add as many social networks as you've got. So if you've got like a Twitter account, Instagram, Pinterest, link all of those. And then scrolling down, you can see how much commission you're going to earn on different products. This is between 1% and 4%, and it's going to be different depending on what item you promote and in what different category. You can scroll through these because it changes depending on the time and the different category. But once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and sign up and then continue. Now, after you've clicked continue, providing all of your information is correct, it's then going to redirect you to this page here where it's going to say thank you for applying. So now your application is going to be under review and you can try logging in later. You will also get an email as well if you've been approved. So that's how you can apply for the eBay affiliate program. It is very simple, but you are going to have to wait for an approval. I hope that video did help you out.